I'll show you how to install and uninstall these adapters really quickly. So here we have the Quest 2. I removed everything so you could see clearly how to install and uninstall these things. So installing is pretty straightforward. You put the boom of the Quest inside the ears or inside the groove of the adapters, and then you want to pull back and push down at the same time until it clicks in. And there we go. And to remove them is somewhat tricky, especially sometimes these adapters tends to just stay in there because it's inside a groove. Well, it's pretty easy. All you gotta do is take a little flat screwdriver or some other pry tool, maybe a plastic one if you prefer, so you don't want to risk scratching your headset if you're concerned about that. So I simply just insert it in there, and all you have to do is twist it this way. So I'm going to exaggerate with my hand here just to kind of give you what's happening when you do that. It'll pop off. So pretend this is the boom. My left hand is the boom of this, and this is the adapter, and it's the groove. So the adapter is going to seat in here and it's in the groove. Now when you stick a flat head screwdriver underneath it, you're going to be twisting it so it kind of goes this way and it pops out. So that's the idea behind this. You want to stick it in and twist. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And twist, and it pops out. And that's how you do that. Thank you.